Good morning, children. Today start the class for standard 2, subject maths, day Monday, date 21/6/21. Previous class we will learn for patterns. So patterns is used for arranged group in a order. Give some example. I take now lady's finger, cut the top part. This is for big size. The next one I take for end of the lady's finger. So this is for small part. I cut it this two piece. Take here. I use for red color and take some patterns. I show now. Ready, children? I take the color. First one. Opposite sides I give that size. Second one, then third one, fourth one. Next I take here. So this one is look like for jewelry. So this is used with the help of lady's finger. You cut the part, anyone you take and do that is used to pattern method. Then again I use for thumb. Then give the patterns. Another one example, children. I use the red color and thumb press. So this one take with your tongue, take the color, then I give the space one by one, then give for red color. Then next one I give for yellow color. We will see wait what will design give to pattern. You find out the figure which one is here. So I take now next one color for yellow. Then I draw the eyes, antennas, then legs, then tail. So this one is look like for now caterpillar. Okay, children, this is like for patterns. You make it this kinds of anyone, then send it to me. The next one topic we will see now, clock. This clock is helpful to learn the time. First I draw the circle here. Then how to draw the, but you easy to draw for circle or square shape. Then find out the clock, how to find out for minutes and hours. So clock is helpful to learn, very important in your daily life. Always you know the time is follow for all the works. So find out the timing. So clock is have for 2 hands. Clock is have the time. So 12 hours means use the hand for clock, 12 numbers. So 12. First number is 1. So first straight center you put the 12. Opposite for 6. So in between the middle for you write the number 3. Then this opposite for you write the number is 9. That clock is look like very neat. So you take just write the number 1 to 12. Only one of the clock only you complete the 12 hours. That is no need to write for not clear that clock. Only your clock is have for rotate that round circle. That circle is spread out and write the numbers. So first write for 12, opposite for 6. 3 opposite for 9. So in between the number you write to first start for 1 o'clock. Then 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then 5 o'clock. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So first you draw the circle, then you put the number 1 to 12, arrange the numbers in order. First number center for 12, but starting the number is 1. Start the clock is 1 o'clock up to you reach the number is 12, but 12 is in between the center. Then next one, you put the dot for middle of the circle. So put the dot. Already you know the and for short and shows for hours. Short and shows for hours. Long and shows for minutes. Long and shows for minutes. So time. So this one is used for time. This topic is called for time. So time is hour, minutes and hours. How to find out the hours? Easily find out the shorthand. Shows the number. Here shows for 12. So this and is move for 1. So you says the time is 1 hour. But how to find out the minutes? Minutes is long and only shows. This long and shows the minutes is here for 3. But you say the time is minutes for 5. 5 minutes is 1 hour to another 1 hour time, moving the timing. So I show here. First is starting for 12 hours. So next move for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 reach the number is 1. 5 reach the number is 1. Then next move for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is for 10 minutes. So count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 கிட்ட வரும்போது அதனுடைய லாங் ஹேண்ட் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 10 minutes அப்படி சொல்லுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is saying here 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. So in between the time is here. 1 hour to another 1 hour reach the minutes and that is 5 minutes. But our hand is moving 12 to 1, that is for 12 hours. That one is show the 1, that for 1 hour, 1 o'clock. But minute and moving for 5. That number is 1. 1 கிட்ட வரும்போது minute and உடைய time என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா நம்ம 5 minutes அப்படி சொல்லுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 2 ஷோஸ் பண்ணச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்பர் 2 கிட்ட லாங் ஹேண்ட் இருக்கும் போது அதனுடைய டைம் வந்து 10 minutes. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் 3 மூவ் ஆகிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா 15. ஸோ இயர் சேஸ் ஃபார் மினிட்ஸ் 5 skip counting. Minutes is shows the time for 1 hour to another hour. One number to another number moving the timing is saying here minutes. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then 20. 25. Next one 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Then starting time is 0 minutes. So here 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 minute equal to says here 60 seconds. But that one and is showing for moving in third one and is used the clock. Clockல மூணாவதா ஒரு முள் இருக்கும். அந்த முள்ளு தான் மூவ் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு ரவுண்ட் வந்துடுச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த நம்பர் வந்து 1 minute. 12லேருந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் மூவ் ஆகிட்டு ஃபஸ்ட்டு லைனில் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அந்த தேர்ட் முள் இன்னொரு ரவுண்ட் மூவ் ஆகிட்டு வரும்போது செகண்ட் முள்ளுக்கு மூவ் ஆகும். அப்படியே மூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும் போது எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குன்னா 3600 டைம்ஸ் மூவ் ஆகுது 1 ஹவருக்கு. But seeing in your clock for only 2 hands, long hand and short hand only. So short hand is only shows the hours. That hour hand is moving for only slowly moving. But minutes hand is moves for fast. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Then reach for 1 hour. Here 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So here only shows the long and for minutes, short and for hours. So clock have the time for 1 to 12, but you count the minutes for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Time is always used, easy to find out the time. How to find out with your clock? Long hand and short hand is showing the time. Otherwise digital clock use the numbers, easy to find out what is the number, it shows the clock. Okay, for that you draw the steps, how to draw the clock, how to put the arrange the numbers 1 to 12 number, then draw the hands, then show the times. Easy to find out, children. This one is given to you activity. Only you draw the clock and practice. Then you give the timing for wake up timing. Then morning you take the breakfast timing. Then you take the time for reading time. Which time you want to read in a evening. That time you draw the clock and shows the timing, what time is shows to do for the work. So morning get up the time for 6 o'clock, so draw the clock is 6 o'clock. You take the breakfast for 7 o'clock, so draw the hand for clock 7 o'clock. We are do the work to activity. So easy to try, draw the hand and draw the clock easily, and you practice yourself, children. Thank you once again.